How often have you woken up to get a coffee and found that your Bosch Tassimo unit is plugged up and in a right old mess, just as you see this one here this morning. Joanne had obviously tried to make coffee and everything went wrong, and there was coffee grinds going everywhere. Well, what actually happens is the little spout inside the unit gets clogged up, and what I've done is I've been able to take it apart, and as you can see, there are still some grinds in there. I'm not really sure if most of you would know that you can do this. It's quite simple, and it comes apart into 3 different pieces, and you can get in and clean it out. Now you can use the powder to clean the whole system. That will take care of the tubes inside, but more often than not, this is where the problem lies. It gets clogged up with coffee grinds, and you can actually see through there a little bit. There's obviously still some coffee grinds in there to be taken out, but that's what you have to do. You have to take this piece apart, and you know, the unit actually looks like that when it's put back together. And then you go back in and make sure that you clean up this area, because this spot here is where it reads the code, and as you can see with this one, something went drastically wrong. So next time you have a problem with your Tassimo unit, push this out. You need to hold it there and apply a bit of pressure underneath, and the little unit will pop out, and then you fiddle with it and you'll find that it comes apart. Then you can clean that up and you'll get perfect coffee. I hope it works for you.